Okay guys, I saw this idea on Pinterest and I think it is so smart. So they have these 4x6 frames at Dollar Tree, right? And they've actually come out with like this fake wood one, which has got more of a wider frame and it's a little more beveled. And they have ones like this that are super clean and modern and white. If you have a double light switch, you can actually take out the insert from your frame and replace it with the light plate, like the switch, you know, has the plate. The plate will fit in here, and then you can frame out. How cool is this? You can frame out your light switch. Now, if you want to spray paint the plate and the frame, you can, to make it all one color. Or if you want to leave it like the wood, natural wood. Some of you may already have white plates, so it'll already match. But isn't that a really cute idea? Like, it makes it look so much more expensive and it only costs you $1 per panel. Now, if you can find the smaller frames, you can actually use, I think it's a 3x5. You can actually use for the single light switch. So I just thought this was a cute little hack that I saw on Pinterest and I thought I'd share it with you guys. You know what I was thinking about the other day? You know these honey packets? These would be perfect sizes for a facial. Like, not only for your tea, but see how they're individually wrapped? Honey is really, really good for your skin. So I thought, oh my gosh, these would be perfect for facials. So these are new and cute. I'm a notepad, 100 sheets. I have T's and P's and L's and K's and G's and H and D and E and F. M's. Be thankful. A friend loves at all times. Little owls. I know the glare is pretty bad in here, guys. Sorry. Oh, these are so cute. Love one another. Little bumblebees. So guys, these are new at my store. They're a little 5-pack of potato chips. How cute is that? Perfect for lunches, your little picnics, kids' snacks, your snack. I think this is a really good idea. Gluten-free, 0.5 ounces. I'm sure they're not huge bags. 0 grams of trans fat. Yeah, not super healthy, but 5 little packs for $1. Okay, so this is new for our store. Angel hair pasta. 10 ounces. Have you guys seen this in your stores? Has this been around for a long time? We just got it. It's good till 2020. It's a really long time. But yeah, this is new for us at least. Oh, I see you up there. 4C panko Japanese style breadcrumbs. That's a good deal, huh? 8 ounces. I'm definitely going to get one of these. That's new for us. I have a question for you guys. Has anyone tried these Hershey Golds? I see these on Ibotta. I have not this particular package, the candy bars. I haven't looked to see if they have the candy bars yet. But I want to know if these are good before I buy them. Peanuts and pretzels. I like both of those things, but let me know, guys. Caramelized cream Hershey Gold. I don't want to buy them till you guys tell me. Guys, I bought this sharpening stone a while ago and I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about getting new knives, try this first. It lasts forever, probably for the rest of your life, until the knife is just, really literally done. But yeah, guys, I use this and it works really good. It has one fine side and one side that is a little bit grittier, I guess. I don't know exactly how to say it. They don't give you instructions, but I usually use this side first and then I use this one. And if I'm doing it wrong, somebody tell me in the comments. Maybe you've been using this. I don't know how to use it. I just saw Sharpening Stone and it works really good. My knives end up super sharp. I use it especially before like I'm going to cut tomatoes or whatever, but grab it. It works for sure. So I thought I'd end this video showing you guys how quickly these Dollar Tree boxes of seeds grow. So I can't even tell you right now which is which. I didn't even plant them in the ground, guys. I got lazy one day. I sprinkled them, and this is what's happening. This is about 2 weeks. So I think that I will keep you guys updated. I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened there. But yeah, pretty soon. Doesn't look like much now, but pretty soon you'll see. You'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I've got to take that tulip leaf down. I appreciate it. Just a little quick video from DT today. Bye, guys.